That's it. Now get out of there, Prophet. Head toward the FDR.
Deliver xeno tissue sample to Gould. Reach Gould's lab via FDR drive.
That's it. Now get out of there, Prophet. Head toward the FDR.
Reach Gould's lab via FDR drive.
That's it. Now get out of there, Prophet. Head toward the FDR.
Deliver xeno tissue sample to Gould. Reach Gould's lab via FDR processing.
That's it. Now get out of there, Prophet. Head toward the FDR.
Deliver xeno tissue sample to Gould. Reach Gould's lab via FDR drive. Engaged. Nanovision enabled.
what you did back there, but the suit signal's going crazy. It's off the chart. I've got interface protocols rolling up on all the lab systems and a bunch of biotech patent documentation with Hargreaves' name all over it. It's like some kind of contingency routine he's built into the suit's deep layers. I've got no idea what this means. Look, take the FDR. Get up here to the lab. I don't know how much longer I can hold on here. You need to make it fast. Listen, Cell have set up checkpoints all along the FDR freeway. I just tapped into their comms, and it sounds like Lockhart's down here overseeing the operation himself. He's got to be close, Prophet. Keep a low profile.
Nanovision delivers the tissue sample to Gould. Find a way onto the FDR freeway.
Bring him down. I'll argue the civil rights detail when we've done that.
Alive is more useful.
Yeah? Useful to who? The guy just got through massacring a couple dozen of my men, Miss Strickland. I'm taking no more chances. Prophet dies. Hargreave can have his corpse to play with.
Hargreave
wants the suit. That's what he'll get.
He isn't gonna like this. And last time I checked, we both
That's
worked
where you're
for him.
wrong, Miss Strickland. You work for him. I answer to the Cell Executive Board and the DOD. I don't give a shit what some senile old shareholder like Hargreave may or may not like.
That's majority shareholder and former president of the Crynet Board. You want to be careful what enemies you make here, Lockharts.
This conversation is over.
Tactical options available.
So what do we do now? Now we wait here until Lockhart tells us otherwise. Roger. Let's go.
Engaged.
Clear. No targets.
Engaged.
Prophet, I'm picking up a lot of cell activity around here. When they find the lab, we're both screwed. You gotta speed it up, man.
Tactical options.
Eyes on private. Incoming! Ah!
Engaged.
Prophet, I'm picking up a lot of cell activity around here. If they find the lab, we're both screwed. You gotta speed it up, man.
We have a man down!
Tactical options available.
So what do we do now? Now we wait here until...
Engaged.
labs, we're both screwed. You gotta speed it up, man.
Cover me! Reload it! Eyes on target! Man down! Man down! Target sighted. Repeat, we have sight of Prophet.
Shit! Take him out!
Armored! Under fire! Requesting backup!
Just follow the FDR until you reach the Harbor Lights Pier.
Oversight, this is Draft 15 approaching Grid Delta 79er. Oversight, this is Draft 15 approaching Grid Delta 79er. Oh shit! Damn it! Man down! Under fire! Man down! Shit! He's invincible!
Drap 7, this is Azure 1. Target is moving northeast along the FDR on foot. Grid notation, Delta 79er. Can you intercept?
This is Draft 7 on Manhattan Bridge. We're on him. He's toast.
Drap 7, this is Tara Strickland on oversight. Our objective for this target is capture and interrogate. I'm placing the kill order on indefinite hold. Confirm your understanding of this instruction.
Fuck that noise. This piece of shit took out half of Cobalt section. He dies. Here and now. Armored! Oversight, this is Draft 15 approaching Grid Delta 79er. Affirmative. We've got visual. Under fire!
Drap 7, this is Azure 1. Target is moving northeast along the FDR on foot. Grid notation, Delta 7-9er. Can you intercept?
This is Drap 7 on the Manhattan Bridge. We're on him. He's toast.
Drap 7, this is Tara Strickland on oversight. Our objective for this target is capture and interrogate. I'm placing the kill order on indefinite. Confirm your understanding of this instruction.
Fuck that noise. This piece of shit took out half of Cobalt section. He dies.